Meaning of good day.
Good day.
Good day.
Good day.
Good day. Good day is a common greeting used to acknowledge someone during the daytime. It is a polite and positive way of saying hello or goodbye while also conveying well wishes for the person's day ahead. The phrase is often accompanied by a smile or nod and can be used in both formal and informal settings. Its origin can be traced back to Middle English, where it was used as a salutation to wish someone a prosperous day. Overall, good day is a simple but effective way to exchange pleasantries and show respect towards others.